In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page to PDFescape. By the end, you'll know exactly how to append additional pages to an existing PDF using the free online editor, with a few practical tips to keep everything smooth and error-free. First, open your web browser and head to the PDFescape website. On the home page, choose the free online option. This launches the web-based editor so you can make changes without installing anything. Give it a moment to load. Depending on your connection, the editor interface may take a few seconds to appear. Once the editor is open, select Load PDF Previously Opened. This brings up the list of PDFs you've already worked on in PDFescape's online workspace. You should see thumbnails or a list view of your past documents. Find the PDF you want to update and click it to open. The document will load in the main viewing area so you can confirm you're working on the right file. With your PDF open, look for the page tools in the editor. Click Page to open the page management options. Here's where you can add, remove, or reorder pages. To add pages at the end of your document, choose Append. Append simply means attach to the end, so this is the correct choice when you're bringing in extra pages to follow what's already there. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes to continue. This safeguard helps prevent accidental changes, especially if multiple documents are open in your workspace. Next, click Choose File. Select the PDF that contains the pages you want to add. You can upload a single-page PDF or a multi-page PDF. All pages from the file you choose will be appended to the end of your current document. For best results, make sure the file you're uploading is a PDF, not an image or a different format. If you only need certain pages from a larger PDF, consider preparing a copy that contains just those pages beforehand to keep your final file tidy. Also, keep an eye on file size limits. Very large files can take longer to upload and process. After you select the file, PDFescape will upload and process it, then insert the new pages at the end of your document. When it finishes, scroll to the last pages to verify they've been added correctly. If something looks off, you can repeat the append process with the correct file. That's it. You opened your document in PDFescape, used the page tools, confirmed the action, and uploaded the PDF you wanted to append. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined PDF editing workflow.